Okay, if you're tired of running out of ice every time you have guests over, or you're constantly refilling those tiny freezer trays, this little machine is about to become your new favorite kitchen upgrade. This is the Silonn countertop ice maker, and it makes 9 fresh bullet style ice cubes in just 6 minutes, faster than it takes to scroll through your notifications. It has a 2.5-liter expandable ice basket and a 1.8-liter water tank, so you can make batch after batch without babysitting it. And the LED touch panel makes it super simple. Just tap, choose your ice size, and let it work. You can pick between small ice for water bottles or large ice for drinks and cocktails. My favorite part? It has a self-cleaning mode, so you're not scrubbing anything. Just press a button and it cleans itself. It's compact, it's portable, and perfect for kitchens, dorms, offices, RVs, anywhere you want ice on demand. If you're building a home bar, prepping for summer, or you're just tired of buying bagged ice, this is the upgrade that actually makes your life easier. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.